Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the MACD indicator in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader 5, then go here to Insert. Click on it, go to Indicators, Oscillators, and choose MACD, as you can see. Now we have here some settings. You can change them if you want. We have here parameters, we have here the levels, scale, visualization. Okay, so I will keep this one and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our MACD. Okay, if you want to change some settings, just click on it 2 times and you will see here your settings. So for example, this color, the signal is this one. Let's change it, for example, to yellow. Click on OK. As you can see, the color has been changed. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.